Today I'll be showing you how to integrate your Python project with Rollbar. On this project setup page in Rollbar, I'll enter a project name, select a team, hit create project. Here I'll select the Python SDK, hit continue. Here are the instructions for integrating. First, I'm going to copy and run pip install Rollbar to install PyRollbar with pip. Then I'll copy the first example, which has the configuration settings as well as an example of how to send an informational message to Rollbar. In addition, I'll also copy the second example, which has an example of how an exception can be reported. Now let's run this. All right, going back to my project, the first two items showed up in Rollbar. Here's the first two errors from my Python project.